Hello, what's going on, YouTube people? Eric here. So I want to talk about, I'm really into, I've always loved guitar intros, and there we go. And just how, and you hear the intro and you're like, oh, fuck yeah, that song is on or whatever. So last week I was looking at, not last week, but the last video or whatever. Don't Fear the Reaper, and just kind of starting out, thinking of starting from like this position of the neck and then moving up, utilizing the different areas you get on the fretboard and the different sounds you get. So this one is still in the same first or open position. This sick fucking Black Sabbath riff, Electric Funeral, if you're not familiar with it, and just fucking endless heavy riffs. And that's the main, and there's a wah going on, and I have a wah. It's like set up with my Boss ME25 pedal. It doesn't have the right quack, if you get my drift. But so I thought this would be another cool one to check out, and it's pretty basic, not basic, but you know what I mean, as far as like what the notes are, as far as you'll see in the tab. But we're just focusing on this open E string, so that's like a B that's going B hammering on to a C, back to the B note, second fret, third fret, second fret, open, I just do that in there just to start it over. So it does that in the intro with the wah pedal, with Black Sabbath behind, Tony Iommi just fucking laying waste, and it goes into this, just one of these little that's about as evil as you're gonna get on the guitar. It's standard tuning, and I didn't check if the song was tuned down or whatever. I'm just just throwing this out here. But then it starts over again, but it's doing a little eighth note chug. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it goes back into that intro riff. There's another part, I think, does that, and there's another part where it's going. But I'm not like trying to do like a full lesson. My videos are just like, fucking hit it and quit it. Just showing, just to you got a quick riff, or you're just learning guitar, and that's what this is for. If you're just like learning guitar, or you're just looking to stack a couple riffs, maybe you're interested, in diving deeper, and then you're gonna go to Marty Music, or you're gonna get heavy, and you're gonna go to the big hitters. But here we are. So scratch the stash. So what I'm getting at is, just being able to, find your way around different parts of the fretboard. So, with this intro, that's like the basic C major scale in the first position. But this here is like E minor pentatonic. And then it's got the you throw some pinch harmonics in there just to get real dirty. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe. I'm trying to build up subscribers, and just to keep me going. I was teaching guitar for quite a while, and I didn't necessarily burn out. I just needed a break, and I just love sharing and guitar riffs and knowledge and stuff. So just to keep myself inspired and whoever's watching. Thank you. Ha ha ha.